Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today I want to talk to you about app development, business, and coronavirus. Before coronavirus hit my app, I've got a good one. It was pretty much doubling in subscriptions. This is paid subscriptions. So from the month of March to the month of April, that jump, it actually almost doubled in user base. I'm talking about 90% growth in 1 month. And the month before that, it grew a good amount. And it was just on an exponential curve. We actually got shortlisted to be in one of these Australian finalist startups in the medical space that we're in. So things were on the up. And then coronavirus happened. And wow, yeah, in the month of April, I lost, I believe, 40% of my paying subscribers. And I'm not blaming anyone for this. The government actually forced the industry to stop working. There was no elective surgeries, all this kind of stuff. So people were being put or being forced to stay at home and not work. So they didn't really need the application that I'm working on. My application, is a paid application that enriches the lives of cosmetic practitioners. And if they can't do their work, then what is the use to it? So surprisingly, I only lost 40%. I thought I was going to lose more. And in the month of May, I flatlined. My growth was completely just stuck, and I had the worst retention rate because of the month before. Previously, my retention rate was very high. For some reason, this application is very useful to these people, and I've been working on it and trying to make it better and better and better. But I was a bit, I wasn't sad or anything like that. I don't get sad over this stuff. Life is a tree. Wherever branch of opportunity, there's always a branch of opportunity. So everything is good. But I just wanted to share what's been going on behind the scenes, my kind of app development kind of situation. I'm not depressed about it. I know that there's opportunities. I'm not sad about it, but I do wanted to share some good news. Now, in the month of June, in Australia at least, things are picking up and everything seems to be cooking as usual. And we actually gained a subscriber. So we're actually on the up curve again. So even though we had a big drop, we finally regained the subscriber. We haven't lost any in the last month and a bit, and we gained one. Obviously, this is nothing compared to the big boy applications out there, but I just wanted to check in with you guys and see people out there making apps. Have you noticed a drop in your revenue due to this situation? One thing interesting, actually, my other application, which I need to do more work on, it's very tricky. The server costs on that one is a lot of money, but the user base there, it actually went up because I guess people had nothing to do, and this application allows you to potentially make your own applications. So there was a lot more interest in the application, but unfortunately, I'm not getting paid from the application. I haven't achieved revenue or a business model to make it work. So it's a bit hard to get that one off the ground. It's very possible that I could get some time and really make it work, but it requires a lot of mental energy. So that one is actually being used more in today's world, but my main revenue generator, that one went down because it required professional use. So again, don't really know what I'm saying here, but I just wanted to share, guys, if your application has been hit and you've been losing downloads, all that kind of stuff, I think the month of June going forwards, things might be looking better. But let me know about your experiences out there. How's your application doing? Are you staying motivated? I was doing some coding today and it was so much fun. Just getting work done again. Like I was getting in a spat with the Apple SDK because I called the function parameter incorrectly. It was giving me the absolute URL when I wanted the relative URL. So I was trying to delete a file that I created and it wasn't letting me doing it. I was just like, what is going on? And that's why you need to constantly, regularly update the code. I actually integrated Objective-C in one of my applications into being called so I can call it from Swift. I recorded it, so I'm going to share that tutorial with you guys. But just being an app developer, it is, well, working for yourself is pretty fun. I guess nowadays it's maybe really cooler because remote work is on the up. So if you want to get a job and you want to work from home, then yeah, now's the time to do it. But of course, if you are new, I recommend getting into the mix and getting into the political situation, because I guess if you are working from home, it is easy to not make a difference. Problem with big applications is ideas are driven by the most political people, not necessarily by the best people. That's what I'm going to say to that situation. But yeah, quick update here. Business apps. Hopefully things are on the up. Let me know how your applications are doing. Drop a link in the description below. I'd love to check out your applications too. And as always, hope you guys enjoyed the show.